I'm going to show you how to do this hairstyle right here. Super simple. I think it was like Kendall Jenner's Christmas Eve look, something like that. I created a very similar look on straight hair on my Instagram and my TikTok, and it blew up. So I thought we should make like a curly version since a lot of people were requesting it. Kendall Jenner always has the perfect middle part, so we need to make sure that it is super sharp. So I'm just taking a comb. So now that you have the middle part, you're actually going to go ahead and right above your temple, or like the pointy part of your eyebrow, you're going to create a little section. Go ahead and grab a clip and we're going to section it off. Measuring from the corner of our eyebrow and just creating another little section like that. And you want to make sure that they end at the same point. Take your little clip and just section it off. We're going to go ahead now and take our pointer fingers again and create a deep circle section. I'm going to turn around so you guys can see. This is the point I'm going to be taking from on either side. And then we're going to create this deep U, kind of like a half circle. And then when you guys connect at the center, your fingers are going to touch and you're just going to take this section and you're going to clip it up. Now with all the rest of this hair, you're going to gather it into a low ponytail at the back of your neck, or you can clip it off, whatever's easier for you. Taking my hair tie, I'm just going to tie that off now at the base of my neck. It's going to be a really small amount of hair because a lot of your hair is going to be in the top section. So don't worry about that. Take these clips away and everything is clipped up except for these two sections that were our first two original sections. So you guys can go in with a wax or a hairspray, but if you guys have like super curly hair, you can also go in with something stronger like a gel. But for today's video, I'm just going to be using a little bit of this hair wax, and I'm going to start directing the hair sideways but not backwards because we want to keep that middle part right in place. Start getting all those flyaways down. If you guys don't have bangs, this will be so much easier as well, but I have curtain bangs, so we need a little extra product. I like to work on one side at a time, and basically I just start smoothing it out, and then once I have it nice and smooth, I'll take my clip and clip it right here. Grabbing some hairspray, I'm just going to spray everything. Then I'm going to take my brush and lightly smooth it. Take a little more hairspray. Now we're going to repeat the same thing on the other side, and you want it to match as good as possible. Start working it in, and then grab your brush. I forgot to mention that if you use a boar bristle, it's so much easier. And start directing this hair sideways. Same thing, grab your clip and just clip it off nice and tight. So now we have everything super slick. We're going to grab some clear elastics. These are my favorite. Everyone always asks. You're only going to need one. You're going to take those two tails and connect them at the back of your head. So let me flip around. So now I gathered these 2 points at the back of my head. Make sure you have all the hair. You're going to try to tie it off right underneath that U section we had. So tie it off as tight as possible. Now from the front, everything is nice and secure. You can gently, really carefully, because you don't want to mess this up, take out your 2 clips, take out the other one. And if you notice there's any bumps, you can take your brush and just smooth it all out. Now we're in the back of the head and we can take down this back section. I like to take my comb and brush right underneath that section. My hair's a little staticky, so we're going to give it a spray. We can take down this top section and start brushing everything into place. I'm going to split it in half and lay it over the hair. And now I'm just going to brush everything into place, so let me show you guys. So many people are saying that you'd be able to see the little hair tie in the back when you put the hair down, but trust me, you can't. Like, look how cute this is. I'll flip to the back and brush everything again so you can see just how nice everything lays. I promise you, you cannot see that hair tie. As long as you guys are taking enough hair from that original U section, you will not have a problem at all. Let me give you guys a quick 360, but that's my take on Kendall Jenner's Christmas Eve. I think that's what it was for. Hairstyle. It's so easy, good for like a wedding. So let's do the 360. Alright, well if you guys made it this far, thank you so much for watching the entire video. I love this take on Kendall Jenner's hair. I'll be posting more updates on when I'm going to be posting on my Instagram stories, so make sure you guys are following me over there. And if you're not already subscribed, make sure you subscribe, like, and comment, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye!